G'day, Alex Moss here, and in this video we're going to have a look at the price editing feature of Tactical Arbitrage. It's a fairly new feature at the time of this video, and it is pretty cool because it allows you to dynamically change your buying and selling prices to examine what return on investment changes will occur once you've made those adjustments. So this is quite good actually for wholesalers as well. If you're on the phone to a wholesaler and they say to you, okay, so your buying price for these is $11.99 each, but I think if you buy enough of them, I can get them to you for say $10 each, then by being able to dynamically adjust these prices in the price column, then you'll be able to get an indication of how that return on investment shifts accordingly. So let's have a look at something over here that may already have a little bit of return on investment in it. So you can see here that this DC Justice League weapons pack has a 41% ROI. And there's two places I can change the price. We'll go across first and use our wholesaler example. So it's a buy price at the moment for $10.99. So whether it's a wholesaler who's given you a discount, or maybe this particular store is having a 10% off sale right now and you wanted to adjust the price based on that, we're going to adjust that to $10 and see what that does to our return on investment. So it's $10 over here now. Our Amazon buy box is $22.08, $15.49 after fees. That gives us $5.49 profit, or we're now looking at a 55% gross ROI. Now, one thing I should say about this does not write your playing around to cache. So other users aren't going to see your messing around and playing with prices to see what will happen. This will only happen locally for you, and simply updating, going back to the left of page and using the update data button will get you back to the actual current live prices for both the source and Amazon. Now, I'm mentioning Amazon there as well because you can also adjust the buy box price using the edit button as well. And this is particularly interesting if you know, for example, that there's only maybe one or two sellers at $22.08, and you want to maybe have a look at what kind of price there would be if this started to trend upwards. Let's say this is Christmas and it's starting to trend upwards, and you think that this particular toy may be in as high demand as it was last year, and may actually go as high as say $27 or $28. And that's kind of where you're thinking about pricing this. So in that instance, you'll go in, make the adjustment to say $27. This will also recalculate the return after fees. And of course, your gross return on investment will shift as well. And now we're looking at a much more interesting scenario, because you've managed to get yourself a little 99% discount on your buy price. You're looking at pricing it a little bit higher in the buy box because you're hoping that the existing sellers will sell out. And now we're looking at 96.7% ROI. And if you've got some confidence in making in those kind of eventualities happening, then you can certainly play that out on your screen here to see what kind of ROIs you could potentially be looking at. And it's just a little bit of a scratch pad for you to play with by adjusting those prices just to see what your final result may be. So that's all there is to editing the prices, and I'll see you in the next video.